Over the last several weeks, the cooks on the internet have been abuzz about this mixer from Farberware. It came on the scene and it was priced at $70 at our local discount store. And recently it was dropped to $50. I don't know if Farberware have been in the stand mixer market in the past, but they're trying to come out major with a mixer that's very popularly priced. And several people have asked me to try this mixer out, and look what we got in-house today. Me and Eric were walking through our discount store, and there was a big rack of them, and they've been sold out all across the country, and I was like, let's grab one. So let's unbox the Farberware 4.7 quart stand mixer. So I know what you guys are saying, another stand mixer, right? You guys know how I am, and when something comes on the market for some people that don't necessarily want to spend the $300-400 for a KitchenAid, I like to play around with them because I want to know, can they maybe not necessarily take the place of a KitchenAid, but can they do the basic functions, and you can get away with only spending $50-70 on something like this. So let's check this out. I got a pink color, right? So this is the Farberware stand mixer that has been causing such a buzz on the internet. It's 4.7 quarts, which is almost as big as the Artisan. It comes with 6 speeds with a pulse function. It has your dough hook, your whip, your paddle. It comes with a pouring shield and your bowl. They say it's professional, right? We'll see about that. It also has a 600-watt motor, and it is die-cast metal. So this is an actual metal mixer for $50-70. You don't see that ever, right? They're mostly plastic. So here's our box, and we have 600-watt motor, 6 speeds, dishwasher safe bowl, and dishwasher safe attachments. Wow. Okay, so let's get this open. Okay, so let's see if I can open this thing. Oh, assistant.
Trusty bottle opener.
A bottle opener?
Sure.
Okay. My assistant's a little on the strange side. Let me just put that out there. Okay, wow, it is pink. Let's get this baby out of the box. One thing I don't see straight away is, here we go. Farberware robot, no, stand mixer. And very basic troubleshooting, no recipes in here. Okay, let's get going. The hazards we face in the kitchen. Whoa, whoa. Wow, it's pink, that's for sure. Wow. $50, guys. I think this is part of our pouring shield. Okay, let's see what we have here. Oops. Wow. I like the color. I think it comes in like black, red, and I saw blue, some kind of blue color. It's very, very pink. Sweet. $50 mixer. So I think you use this little lever right here, maybe, to lift it. Sweet. Whoa. It is definitely made out of metal. It's not overly heavy. You know, when I first saw this mixer in the store, my first reaction was, boy, this thing is ugly, right? But it's starting to grow on me. So here's our bowl. The paddle attachment. Sweet, coated. This is the other part to the pouring shield. What else do we have in here? The whip, which is plastic, and the dough hook. The dough hook. There's the dough hook. Kind of an odd shape, but we'll see how that works. Let's see this thing. So it has suction cups to keep it down. My feeling on that is it really helps on lightweight mixers to have those suction cups because it keeps it on the table, but it also is sort of a pain in if you want to move it around because you sort of have to rip it from the thing. So here's the front of it. It does have a spring, which is kind of interesting. And we're going to open the lid. Put the wow, that's plastic. Put this on there. We'll put the paddle attachment on. We'll lower it back down. And we'll plug it in real quick. And let's do a sound check. So we're going to do a pulse. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't see any wobbling. 5. I don't see any wobbling. 6. Nice. I like the sound of it. Sweet. So we did a stand mixer challenge with inexpensive stand mixers and under $100, and one of the ones we did was the Hamilton Beach, and that was our winner of that. We're going to do a test and review of this, and I have some others that we're going to be taking a look at. Ultimately, we may do a test and review a little bit against a few of these. I gave my original Hamilton Beach mixer away that won that test. So I don't have it to run it up against this, but I'm looking forward to this because it is a metal housing. It has a good sound to it, and on sale it was $50. So this should be interesting. So stay tuned. We're going to test this baby out on the categories that we've done all the other ones. We're going to make whipped cream, we're going to make some cookies, and we're going to make some bread dough. And looking forward to seeing how this baby performs. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe below and leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook, as well as Instagram. I'm at Cooking with Amy. I'm impressed. Really impressed.
I already noticed one thing it has that the KitchenAid doesn't. Got the spring.
Ah, look at that. Eric said it has a spring. I'm also on Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook. And I'm also on Instagram at Instagram?